Hi, and welcome to this quarter's edition of Live Market View. I'm Randy Kobat with Cox Automotive. As you know, the automotive industry is always evolving. One of the effects of the pandemic that all of us are facing is the microchip shortage and the impact it's having on new car production. This may leave you feeling starved for new car inventory. But rather than worry about what you don't have, we think it's important to focus on how you can better manage the new car inventory that's currently on your lot. So how can you squeeze the most profit out of what you've got? At vAuto, we've been spending time with our data scientists to develop a way to measure dealer new car sales effectiveness. We recommend that you pay more attention to what we're calling sales efficiency. For example, if the market area has 1,000 Toyota Corollas and sold 600, the sales efficiency for that market is at 60% for the Corollas. That means if you're performing below 60% for your dealership, you're not keeping pace with the market and you're losing market share. As you begin to monitor the sales efficiency of your own models, pay particular attention to your core models at your dealership that generate 80% of your sales. That could be 4 to 5 models with some OEMs, or as few as 2 for some luxury brands. Turn and earn has never been more important than it is today. That's why it's critical to focus on your sales efficiency every month, so you can maximize your allocations and create an ongoing inventory management process that mitigates aging and generates sales. Many dealers, and you might be one of them, think that they don't have efficiency issues because you're selling everything that you get. But that's not what the numbers say. Based on the market in October, there are about 1 million units on the lot across the country. New car day supply was right around 30 days. So that means you should be turning your inventory once a month. But 46% of new car inventory across the country is older than 30 days, and 12% is older than 120 days. Numbers like these are killing dealers' new car allocations because, as you know, the OEMs reward those who turn their inventory the fastest. If you're struggling with your sales efficiency, it's time to wipe the dust off the hoods and do everything you can to make sure the factory doesn't count those units against you when they run their monthly production reports. What's your exit strategy for those units older than 30 days? If you have a VIN over 120 days old, what are you doing to make sure it doesn't hit the 150-day mark? Think about moving those select vehicles to the front of your online showroom. Make them a loss leader, or even report them as a customer service loaner. Do whatever it takes to get those out of your inventory so your allocations don't take a hit. I don't have to tell you that every new car sale is the ignition switch for the entire value chain, that it provides an opportunity to capture a trade at a lower cost to market, plus the recon work on that trade, that it generates F&I income, and how it yields parts and service business, which can promote customer loyalty that leads to future new car sales. That's why routine and rigorous new car inventory management is so important to the success of your store, now and in the future. At vAuto, it's always been our mission to help you thrive in any environment. Of course, we never could have predicted a pandemic, but here we are together. And here we are at vAuto, working to overcome obstacles and helping you find opportunities so we can all move forward with confidence. New car inventory is scarce. We could sit back and wait until inventory levels come back before we would develop new metrics to help your business. But now is the perfect time to get 1% better in everything that we do. Thanks for joining us on another edition of Live Market View. I'm Randy Kobat, and we'll see you next quarter.